Hi YouTubers, I'm Dylan, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw the Green Goblin from the Marvel Universe. So get a nice piece of paper, get a good pencil, let's begin. We're going to mostly just draw his head and his neck and shoulders. In many of these videos, we've drawn either whole bodies or just the head and the upper body, but for this one, we're going to do just the head and the neck and shoulders. It's a portrait. And like always, like with most human characters, we start with a circle for the top of the head. And then we're going to be drawing him facing forward. We're drawing the whole front of his face. And remember to always draw loose and light at first, because not all these lines are going to be used later on. Most of them are going to get covered up soon. Then we're going to put in our center line to know where the middle of his face is going to be. And then a line to know where his eyes will fall. And then we put another line for the nose. And last but not least, a line for the mouth. And then we can put our two lines to indicate his neck area. Okay, so we got those shapes in. Now it's time to draw his eyes. His eyes are these sort of weird looking they're almost like half circles. And they are shaped like this. And put the same thing on the other side. So we got that. And then you don't have to make big pupils. Just put these really small little black dots right in the center of these eyeballs. Don't make them too big. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to put in his brow line, even though he doesn't really have eyebrows. They're like brow folds. You can see them all the time when someone's giving an expression. And then we're going to put a curve here. And then we're going to draw his nose, which is basically these two curves. And then you're also going to put this bottom line for his nose there. And then you're going to draw his cheeks that go like this on both sides. I'm going to put both of those lines on both sides. Okay, and then we need to get the upper lines as well on both sides. And then we are going to draw his mouth. And it's going to go like this. And he's gonna have a big smile. A villainous smile. And then we gotta give him his teeth. He's got these like fang teeth. So we got that. Now we need to draw a M shape. So that's the mouth. And then you can draw his lower lip, which will go like this. So we got that. And then here's the other lines for his cheeks. And then the other side as well. And draw the cheek on this side as well. We need to get the top area of his head. And you have to draw these curves or C shapes that go near that brow line we put earlier. And then right up here, you will draw two curves and a V shape that goes like this. Because if you remember, he's got some kind of like he appears like an elf. And then you're gonna draw the lower sides of his face. Then we're gonna get his neck. And then his collar. Well, it's more of a scarf in some way. And make sure that you draw a line that sticks out on both sides, so that it looks like it's a thick piece of cloth wrapping around his neck. Then you'll draw this side with a curve. You're going to connect this side here. Draw a little more detail. So we got his neck. Next thing we need to draw before we get to the top part of his head are his elf-like ears. So you're going to draw this tall it's kind of like a teardrop shape. You're going to draw these on both sides, but you can lightly draw it this way. These are just guides. So you're going to draw this curve up here, followed by this, and then make a point, followed by larger curve. That's the outer edge of his ear. Then get the inside there. Now we gotta draw the inner details of his ear. One that goes like this. And you can connect that down there. Next thing we gotta do, we gotta get the other ear. It's gonna go like this. Then you're gonna get this bottom edge. Here's the inner side of the ear. And then you got this part right here. And then here is the other edge. And you can connect that to the top. And those are the ears. Last but not least, we're almost done. We need to draw his, like, cap that he has. And then here's, you just gotta draw these folds, both here. And then up here, you need to draw the curved edge. You don't have to, don't close that up. Then you'll draw that other end, followed by here. And then it comes into the form of kind of like a tail. So you'll connect that right there. Then a fold there. Then if you want, you can lightly shade in his mouth, just like that. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of the Green Goblin. I hope you all had fun. Make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.